The Restoprenuer, top 8% of the restoration industry and the operators live by multiple characteristics, which I call key elements. Key element, adaptive. Adaptive isn't trendy. It's survival. In this industry, no two jobs are the same. No two clients, no two structures, no two disasters. And yet, too many restorers are trying to force every job into the same box. They adapt quickly, quietly, without ego. They ask what's needed now. Then they pivot. They shift. They figure it out. Being adaptive doesn't mean you're flaky. It means you're fluid. You know how to take a punch and you still get the job done without making it someone else's problem.